That I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your own spiritual bath and what my spiritual bath routine looks like. I'm going to be explaining the products that I'm using and also literally showing you guys step by step how I create my spiritual bath.
Go crown, crown, crown. I never bow down. I sip my tea in my business. I sip my tea in my business. I'm a queen, queen, and I am meant to be free. I'm a queen, queen, and I am meant to be free. I sip my tea in my business. I sip my tea in my business.
Hey guys, it's your girl Seraph and welcome back to Styling by Seraph. I appreciate you being here with me once again. If you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel so you can continue to join me on my fashion and beauty journey, and I hope it helped. If you guys want to connect with me outside of YouTube, you can like my Facebook pages. It's in the link in the description box below. Be sure to like this video so more people can see what I'm doing, you know? They only see it if you like the video, so please do that, guys. So the first thing, I just want to explain what a spiritual bath is real quick for you guys. So a spiritual bath, a regular bath is a regular bath. A spiritual bath is supposed to be about cleansing and protecting you. So you use herbs, you use oils, you use bath salts, you use obviously soap. There's many things that people can use, but those are the things that I use, and it's just a way to, like I said, cleanse and protect yourself. Cleanse yourself from any blockages, any negativity, anything that's preventing you from manifesting your best life, period. So that's why I do spiritual baths. Personally, for me, it's helped with my, in terms of mental health. Like, I need to constantly do spiritual baths. It literally helps calm me, especially when triggering things happen in society. I go and take a bath. I'm going to go step by step about what I'm doing when I create my spiritual bath. So first, you make sure that your bathtub is clean. Make sure you use bleach or any product to clean your bathtub. You should not be bathing in a dirty bathtub. Don't bathe in a dirty bathtub. It's really that simple. Don't do that to yourself. You know what I mean? It's defeating the purpose. So make sure your bathtub is clean. I use hot water because hot water is very calming to your body. And I feel like it really like sizzles the herbs, the oils that's being put in it, and it helps all of it seep into my skin. And I use soap. You would use liquid soap. The liquid soap I'm using is just liquid soap that my mom has. It says vitamin C and all that good stuff, but it doesn't, not saying it doesn't matter what kind of soap you use. You just use any kind of scented soap that you want. I usually use Dr. Bronner, so I'm going to show you what that looks like as well. But yeah, any type of liquid soap would be good for a bath. Next, you see I am using bath salt. So this bath salt that you see is from Mama Pimenta. I'm going to be showing you her site now. I'm pulling it up in a screen recording right here. And basically, Mama Pimenta, I'm going to show you what her business is all about. Madame Pimenta's Parlor of Wonders is an online emporium where you can book a spiritual session, purchase magical goods, and learn about witchcraft, hoodoo, tarot, and the law of attraction. So I made the mistake before of getting bath salts from someone who wasn't a witch, someone who wasn't deeply and spiritually connected. And not saying that you shouldn't get like Epsom salt or bath salts from people who aren't like that, but if you really want like to take a spiritual bath, you need to get it from someone who understands what needs to be at play, the elements that needs to take place in terms of setting the intention on the bath salts that you're using. So I get it from her. Now I'm going to show you guys the bath salts that I got. So you go to her shop section. So she has spell kits, candles, herbs and curios, oils, mojo bags, sachet powders, magic potions, spell kits, magic tools, and bath crystals. So that's where I go to bath crystals. And as you can see, she has all these options that you can choose from. You could go to all bath crystals and you'll see all the options she has. Abundant prosperity, blockbuster, come to me bath, energetic purification, and so on and so on. So I got the magnetic attraction one, and this is what it looks like. You use magnetic attraction bath crystals to attract in love, luck, money, friends, opportunity, and all the best things in life. I usually get the largest one, which is $22, and I can't remember how much shipping is, but shipping is probably like about $10 or less than $10. Yeah, so that's what I get from her. But you can get all these other ones. So like if I show you, let's say Blockbuster, use the super strength of Blockbuster bath crystals to remove stubborn blocks to your success and happiness. So she has different crystals that are associated with basically aiding you in your experience in some way. So I use the magnetic attraction, like I said. As I'm putting these crystals in, I'm setting my intention. I am saying my affirmations. I'm asking for what it is that I want to experience, what it is that I want to attract into my life. I want to attract sales on Seraphim's site. I want to attract bookings on my Airbnb hosting experience. I want to attract bookings for my art therapy experience. I want to attract a flow of money into my life in stocks, bitcoins, job opportunities. I want to attract abundance in my life. On YouTube, I want to gain more subscribers this month. I want to reach my goal amount of subscribers this month on YouTube for Styling by Seraph. So that is what you do. When you are taking a spiritual bath, it's important that you set an intention of what this spiritual bath is for. Like, you don't just get in a bath, no idea why you're putting bath crystals in, no idea why you're doing anything. You need to know why. So make sure you choose bath crystals that are specific to what it is that you want, you know? And that's what I want. I want to attract all the things I just shared with you guys. The next thing I'm using is frankincense and myrrh. I'm going to show you guys where I get it from. I get it from Etsy, from this brand called P&G Trading. Frankincense and myrrh, the benefits, I'm gonna see if they have it here, but frankincense is an anointing oil. So it's supposed to help provide protection. No, they don't have a description for what frankincense and myrrh is, but I'm going to go to Google so you guys can know. Frankincense and myrrh promotes restful sleep, eases anxiety and stress, can help with pain relief, perfect for prayer and meditation. So that's when I said like anointing and protective. Can be added to your skincare routine, acts as a respiratory aid and immune booster, soothes irritated skin, provides a tantalizing aroma. So yeah, that's why I put that in. The next thing that I put in was the pomegranate. So pomegranate is it's a flower essence. So there's a difference between an essential oil and a flower essence. An essential oil is more like aromatherapy. It has other physical benefits, but flower essences are more emotional than physical. For flower essences, I get it from this woman on Etsy. Her name is... Well, I had to move my camera because of the lighting, so I'm going to be showing you guys about Mama Love Organics. That's what it's called. So I got pomegranate flower essence, and I was mentioning that flower essences basically helps you experience the characteristics of the flower. It's more emotional. It's less physical, more emotional about that well-being, about yourself. So the description for this is a lot. It says how for pomegranate flower essences, feeling confused about the proper focus for your creativity and nurturance. Pomegranate flower essence can help you gain clarity about the correct focuses for your creativity so you can feel about your way of bringing forth and nurturing what you most want with full commitment. This is helpful at every time of life. It is especially important if early family history makes present-day decisions difficult because of challenges you had with your own mother or female relatives growing up, or because of cultural or religious beliefs. So yeah, I put this in my bath. And then I also put it in droplets in my mix Black Eye Pomegranate and what I'm about to share with you, Black Eye Susan. I don't mix those two, but Black Eye Susan specifically is another flower essence, and as most of us would rather avoid working on or even being terribly aware of the old traumatic stuff. It's too painful, or when we look, we notice something about ourselves we rather not see. Black Eye Susan flower essence can help reveal these hidden issues so we can become more self-aware. It can feel scary to look at these issues the first time, so adding this to a few visits with a psychotherapist might be beneficial. In fact, it's highly recommended. But Black Eye Susan is generally very safe to use. Just be aware that it's for waking up, and that can be an interesting experience at the very least. So that's why I use that. And then the next thing is I use a mixture that I got when I was an apprentice for my mentor Elsie Lopez, her Gold War Educational Center, and one of the other classmates I believe gifted me that, or maybe it was Elsie, I can't remember who, but it's for your sacral chakra, healing that, and it has different herbs in it. It's a tincture, I believe. I have it actually behind me. It has all these different Damia, peppermint, burdock, catnip, in terms of healing my sacral chakra, you feel me? So I pour that in and, you know, blessing me in that water, you feel me? And then I have the eucalyptus. And eucalyptus is just in terms of like calming you. It's just a calming scent, aroma, smell, you feel me? So that's why I put that in there as well. Before I do like the incense, sage, and frankincense part, I'm gonna put the face mask on. I'm gonna put the face mask on first. This one is called Maskology. It's a watermelon moisturizing mask. My friend Ronette, also known as Spiritual Inclination Vibes on YouTube, she gifted it to me for my birthday. So I think it's gonna look like a watermelon. I'm gonna have this on because I'm in the yeah, and then I have like resin that's frankincense. It's a frankincense, I think it's frankincense. I believe it's frankincense resin, and then I put it on charcoal. I burn it on charcoal. You have to first light the charcoal at the bottom, such as, and then I'm gonna put it on a seashell. So I have frankincense and like sage, and I mix in a bag. My mom mixed it in a bag. I just take some. So that I can inhale, experience the scent of it, to heal me within that experience as well. So yeah, that's why I put all those products and thought into that. Now I'm ready for my spiritual bath. Before I get into it, I'm going to sage myself with a sage spray. The sage. And then the flowers was a little touch because y'all like the aesthetics. You feel me? I'm not gonna front. I don't be out here putting flowers in my but I went to go pick some. Definitely went to go pick some flowers. Not gonna front. Pick the flowers that my mom grew in front of our house. So kind of fucked up low key, but hey, pick the flowers for y'all. So please like this video because I picked them flowers for y'all. Okay. Thank you so much for like tuning in to me sharing this with you guys. I really hope that this helps you and you actually look into the products that I shared, because it has definitely been beneficial for my experience. Yeah, take it easy, guys. Again, appreciate you. Please like this video if you enjoyed everything you just heard. I hope you learned something very valuable. I hope you subscribe to this channel so we can stay together. Please visit the links in my description box if you want to connect with me outside of YouTube, and like my Facebook page. Follow my businesses, Sarative. I appreciate it. Thank you guys. Appreciate you. I will see you next time though, okay? Check out these businesses in the description box below, okay? Bye.
Business, you's a queen, and you are meant to be free. You's a queen, and you are meant to be free. You should sip your tea and mind your business. Sip your tea and mind your business.